walked into the school the next morning. Something smelled sweet, very sweet. Sam sniffed the air. Cookies, he said. Layla walked beside him. I smell them too. They followed the smell to their classroom. The tables were covered with bowls and spoons. There were bags of flour and sugar. Teacher smiled. Today is cooking class, she said. The children cheered. We are making cookies together. Everyone find a partner. Sam looked at Layla. Partners, he asked. Layla nodded. Partners. They stood at a small table. Teacher gave them a big bowl. First came the flour. Puff! A white cloud of flour flew everywhere. Next came the sugar. Sam tried to mix it. The spoon got stuck in the dough. Let's mix together, she said. They stirred and stirred. The dough became soft and smooth. Then came the chocolate chips. Sam dropped a handful. Layla dropped another handful. Chocolate chips rolled everywhere. Sam had an idea. Let's make the biggest cookie ever, he said. A giant cookie. It was as big as a pizza. Teacher opened the oven. The giant cookie baked slowly. Soon the whole classroom smelled amazing. Everyone gathered around the giant cookie. Let's share it with everyone, he said. And the giant cookie disappeared very quickly.